There's a very large project on the horizon, and that is replacing this chapel. Lots of helping hands arrive this day to start in that process. Mount Traber Bible Camp is a non-denominational Christian camp located in Cooksbrook, Nova Scotia. It's dedicated to developing Christian character and leadership skills in youth. This is such a great camp. They help young people enjoy an awesome time at camp and show them that God loves them and also how to have fun in the beautiful outdoors that God has created. A few other tasks today that was part of the cleaning up in the wildwood with all the downed trees from the big Nova Scotia storms that we've had. Nice. Everyone was working hard today, outside and inside. The ladies in the kitchen provided a really awesome meal for everyone.